Hey guys, it's Mike for Faraday Research. It is Saturday afternoon. Well, we're into spring now. It's kind of raining, overcast today. Um, yeah, before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, bottom right hand corner, and also at the end of the video, give me a thumbs up. So I'm back at the locker. I'm doing my spring cleaning here, getting the shop ready for a year of projects. As you know, I'm working on the new Renegade project for my friend that lives here in the Toronto area. So I got to do a lot of work on this in the next few weeks. So I've got the mock-up, got the batteries on the bottom because obviously they're the heaviest part of the whole project. Then I got the inverter, the 2000 watt Renogy inverter. That's going to be in the middle. And on the top is going to be the Renegade device. So the Renegade's gonna basically charge up the batteries for the inverter system. So that's a work in progress. Got a lot of stuff to do on this, like crazy. But first things first, I'm doing my spring cleaning. I'm tidying things up, trying to get organized, fill the shelves up properly, get everything in order so I got a lot of room to work. I'm also gonna be doing stuff with the original Renegade device. I'll probably get that fired up hopefully in the near future. Yeah, so it's kind of a short video, just kind of an update on what I have going on, sorting out my shop, trying to sort stuff out, put them on the shelves where they go. As you can see, all my shelves are getting pretty damn full. Got my battery projects on the go. You'll be able to see more videos on that very soon. I got my old projects there, stuff everywhere. Got signal generators. Oh, and the other one too I want to start playing with again is my Gerard Morin device. The one with the washing machine pump motor. So that was a great project. So I'm going to get that one going very soon because I have some ideas with this. So, man, so many things. Ay, ay, ay. So many things to do, not enough time. So yeah, I got my power unit. I got to start charging that. I might actually take it home and charge it on the wall because we haven't had a lot of sunlight here lately, so I can't really use the solar panels, so I'll do pretty much jack shit. So I'll have to take this home and charge it up so I have power for the shop. I got my saw. I got to get a couple of new saw blades for my power saw, bandsaw. Also thinking about getting a few more tools. I got to get a grinder, table grinder, and I also have to get a small compressor. So yeah, if you'd like to donate to the channel, you can subscribe, become a member of the channel. It's only $3.99 a month. It gives you over 1,000 videos of all my projects, live shows, hundreds of thousands of hours of live shows. And it's well worth the $3.99 a month. And if you want to go a little further and help me out even more, I also have my Patreon. So my link for the Patreon is also on the Faraday Research YouTube channel itself. I also have a PayPal donate if you want to donate that way. I've got thousands of dollars invested in this. A lot of it was donations, so I really thank all the supporters that I've had over the years to help me accumulate, the gear that I need to do these projects. And they're always greatly appreciated. So that's pretty much it for today. It's just kind of a clean up the shop. Let's get it in order, and then let's get going on the Renegade. That's my number one priority, other than the battery project, which is something I do almost every night after work. So yeah, this thing is gonna be awesome when it's done. It's gonna look really, really, really good when it's done. I got great plans for this thing. So I got to secure the middle. I had to prop this up. I got to secure this, pull this out, take this baffle board off the inverter and actually drill it right to this wooden board in the middle, so it's not going anywhere. And also got to make some battery supports to hold the batteries in place so they don't slosh around. So they're secured. So there's a lot of mock-up to do. And then the Renegade, I have to get the wheel done properly, have to make it all flat, very little air resistance on it, and then put it into an enclosure where I could try to pull the air out and maybe try a vacuum chamber type deal. So the idea is to get this thing to be like a flywheel that will rotate for a very, very long time. So if I can pull that off, that's half the battle right there. It'll take very little energy to keep this thing running. So that's the plan anyways. So less resistance on the wheel. That wheel will spin for months, weeks, whatever. As you know, with this Renegade, I was able to run a system like this for 6 months without any assistance from the outside. So yeah, so this is a work in progress. Everybody, thanks for your support. We'll see everybody soon. Don't forget, we do our live shows every Friday night at 9 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Pacific. I hope everybody shows up, and we'll see everybody soon. Take care for now.